So now we go ahead with the round 5.
So so what we have to take care in this round, બરાબર? આ રાઉન્ડના પહેલા નિયમો સમજી લો. જો આમાં પછી જે ફાઇનલ ડોક્ટર જેઠવા સર અને ડોક્ટર ભાવિક એ ઇઝ ધ ઓથોરિટી કે હુ વિલ સ્પીક, બરાબર? બીજું આમાં એ વન યુ નો ધ આન્સર જસ્ટ બઝલ આન્સર ના બોલો. વન્સ યુ ટેલ ધ આન્સર ધેન એન્ડ ધેન ઇટ વિલ બી ક્વોલિફાઈડ આન્સર. આખું ના તમને જો ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે ને, હવે આ ક્વેશ્ચન રિફ્લેક્ટ જ થશે. સો ધેર ઇઝ નો ટાઈમ લિમિટ. તમે બદલ દબાઈ દો. પણ ના
ક્વેશ્ચન તો પતશે જ ને સાહેબ. ક્વેશ્ચન બજારમાં તો પતાવવું જ પડે ને.
ક્વેશ્ચન્સ દેખાશે આમાં. ઓકે,
Yes.
ક્લિયર? બીજું સર, કરેક્ટ આન્સર 20 અને
રોંગ આન્સર
wrong
-10.
answer 10. Now once you press the buzzer and buzzer press and no answer, then also -10.
રોંગ આન્સર ઓલસો -10. If you don't answer also -10. એવું નહીં બઝર દબાઈ દીધું
Buzzer
ખાલી.
દબાઈ દીધી, then you have to answer. Clear?
And no pass.
And there is no pass.
Yes, question 1. This round will start with team E.
એક મિનિટ
સ્ક્રીન પર કઈ આવવાનું જ નથી સાહેબ. આમાં સ્ક્રીન ઉપર કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચન એમને ચાલશે
નહીં
સ્ક્રીન ઉપર છે.
છે એટલે પણ ઓપ્શન્સ નથી.
There is no option. There is a one liner answer. There is no option.
ત્યાં બી જોઈ શકો તમે.
ઋતુલ
આવશે
હા
બધા જ ક્વેશ્ચન સ્ક્રીન ઉપર જ
હા
આવશે.
ચેક થઈ જાય એટલે કહેજો.
પણ ત્યાં સામેથી જોઈ લો.
અરે વાંધો નહીં,
નજીક
એમને
જ
જોવા
છે.
દે ને. કશો વાંધો નહીં.
ક્લિયર બધું? ઋતુલભાઈ તમે ગ્રીન સિગ્નલ આપો પછી.
હા બસ.
પ્રજ્ઞેશભાઈ કેટલી વાર?
કોમન
Yes, wait.
10 ક્વેશ્ચન છે. જે
No.
બઝર દબાવે આન્સર આપે. 10 એ 10 એક ટીમ બી
No.
આપી શકે.
Now we'll have one sort of a experiment. Please listen. There will be one experiment that when you start or showing the buzzer, don't give answer. So I'm asking one question.
ટ્રાયલ ક્વેશ્ચન.
Trial question. Again, everybody calm.
ટ્રાયલ ક્વેશ્ચન.
At present, Raghav Chadda is in which party?
ટીમ સી વિલ આન્સર.
Wait.
બોલ્યા પછી જ આન્સર આપવાનું.
ટીમ સી વિલ
That
આન્સર.
is how it becomes.
ટીમ સી
Papa.
-5.
So now be careful. Whatever we are asking, do not hurry up. Keep quiet and just start the buzzer. Then he will ask. to give the
ભાવિકભાઈ
answer.
કે આ ટીમ બોલે પછી જ બોલવાનું. એની પહેલા કોઈ બોલ્યો તો -10 છે.
તો પછી મેં બઝર સાંભળો અને દર કે પેલા મેં બઝર દબાવ્યું હતું અને એ નહીં જોવે. ભાવિક વિલ ડિસાઈડ કે ભાવિક કે એને જ દબાવ્યું છે, ભલે પછી મેં દબાવ્યું હોય. ઓકે ફાઇન.
ઓકે ઋતુલભાઈ પ્લીઝ.
ઋતુલ,
અચ્છા ક્લિયર.
સો શરૂ કરીએ ઋતુલ.
yeah,
હજી
team
નહીં?
D and team E can see the question on screen also, I guess.
ઉપર જોઈ
We are
શકશો
close
અહીંયા?
enough. We are really out of time.
કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં. આમાં દેખાશે, બધું દેખાશે. ઓકે, સો ધ ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન બધા માટે છે. હો, ધ ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન ઇઝ આન્સર બોલતા નહીં. સ્પોટ ધ ડાયગ્નોસિસ.
ટીમ ઈ વિલ આન્સર.
Synovial chondromatosis is the correct answer.
Yes.
Plus 20.
20.
Second question coming up.
Second question. The most common cause of popping sound in knee in adolescent age group.
ટીમ ઈ વિલ આન્સર.
Team E, most common cause of popping sound in knee in adolescent age group.
Meniscal injury, medial meniscal.
Is the wrong answer.
Wrong
Meniscal
answer.
injury is the wrong
Yeah,
answer.
But તમારે
Anybody from the audience?
there is no passing.
No passing. Just we just want to know the correct answer.
Yeah.
વચ્ચે ના હોય.
Discoid meniscus is the correct answer.
હજી
So
કહું છું, હજી આઠ
Team
questions
E is
છે.
-10.
શાંતિથી રમીએ. 8 ક્વેશ્ચન હજી છે. લેટ્સ નોટ હરી. એની ટીમ કેન ગો ઇન ફ્રન્ટ.
એટલે જ માઇનસ કીધું, ભલે જ દબાવે. હા, so they will get, હા. હા, પણ હવે
પણ એટલે -10 આયા ને. -10 જ છે એમને બી સાહેબ. રોંગ આન્સર ઓલસો -10. If you don't answer also
One minute,
-10.
please be clear. I am able to see all the buzzers simultaneously, so don't worry. There is frictions of second where team E has clicked the buzzer first. That's why we have asked team E to answer. Okay. So don't worry. We are doing all neutral things. It's not like team E, team A. Okay.
Question number 3. Here it is.
ઉભા રહ્યો. Now the question is, જો આમાં જો સાંભળો સાંભળો શા માટે આવી why I put this again the question you without saying questions you are putting it. So the reason is
Don't do this, please. This is a warning to you, team E.
so this is warning. Sorry. Now the third question is spot the diagnosis.
Again, team E.
Okay. Team E.
Ronaldo fracture.
Wrong answer.
Wrong answer. -10.
Bennett.
Anybody right answer?
Bennett.
Bennett fracture is the correct answer.
Okay, now. હે?
હા પણ એમનો તો wrong જ છે.
એનો wrong છે. Okay, now the question is
Team
name the sign.
Team D.
Team D, press the buzzer first.
D.
The sign, nothing else. One word answer, Hiren bhai.
T-Locks.
T-Lux is not the sign.
Wrong answer.
Wrong answer. -10.
It's a Thurston Holland.
Thurston Holland sign. Salter Harris type 2.
ઓલા દબાઈ દીધું.
The name of sign is Thurston Holland sign.
પાંચમો ક્વેશ્ચન તૈયાર રહેજો. આમાં હું જો હવે ખોટી સ્વિચ દબાવશો ને તો -10 થશે હો. Now the question 5. Spot the diagnosis.
Team C will answer.
ABC.
Yes, it's a
Aneurysmal bone cyst
Yes.
of proximal ulna is the correct answer. We'll give ABC. +20 team C.
તૈયાર રહેજો બઝલ દબાવવા માટે. The question is spot the diagnosis.
Team A will answer.
Team
A will
A.
answer.
Congenital pseudoarthrosis of tibia.
Is very good answer. Pseudoarthrosis of tibia is the correct answer.
Okay, find the
+20 team A.
7.
Question number 7. Be ready.
હાલો કોણ છે?
Team B will answer.
B.
Team B, see the question first. Baumgartner criteria, ideal tip apex distance is?
25 mm.
You have to be a bit more precise. I will not give you a 25.
AP and lateral both side is 25.
Should be less than 25.
Should be less than 25.
The answer is it should be less than 25.
Ideal tip apex distance is not 25.
Less than 25 is the ideal tip apex distance. Obviously 25 બરાબર આન્સર નથી, 25 કરતા ઓછું હોવું જોઈએ. શુદ્ધ સાદી ગુજરાતીમાં બોલવું જોઈએ યાર. How can we give it to you? You cannot give it.
So it is negative. Negative.
-5.
-5.
Sorry, -10. Team B -10.
Okay, now the question number 8 વાંચજો પછી દબાવજો. Which artery labeled in figure A provides the predominant blood supply? કોણ છે ભાવિકભાઈ?
Team B.
B.
Anterior vertebral artery.
It's a wrong answer. Come on yaar.
Wrong answer.
Can you please explain? Anil bhai?
It is spinal artery.
Anterior spinal artery. -10.
Okay, સાંભળજો. Last question.
ના, question 9. Question 9 આવશે સાહેબ.
Question 9, sorry. Score card અત્યારે નહીં. 9. Identify the angle and its significance.
Team E will answer. Team E will answer.
Identify the angle and its significance. We have to be very clear and precise.
કયું team?
Team E.
E. બોલો. પતી ગયું પણ એનું.
Team E -10. Anybody correct answer? From the audience? Yes, Shreyas bhai.
Spinopelvic angle.
Wrong answer. Anil bhai, can you please elaborate?
Harshil, I will try. Harshil, just खाली answer आप. No. Pelvic incidence. It is a pelvic incidence. It is called pelvic incidence, and significance is you have to achieve the lumbar lordosis within 10 degrees of that. If your pelvic incidence 60, your ideal lumbar lordosis should be at 50 or more.
Kamlesh bhai,
Minus LL should be
See, my request is with Team E that if they are not giving answer, then don't press the button because they are what they are doing.
Playing negative.
They are stealing the chance of other team, right?
So already we warned them once. Yes, for next last question you don't get chance to answer. Please don't press. Only A, B, C, D will play the last answer. Yes. Last question of the buzzer round coming up for team A, B, C, D.
અરે અરે અરે, એક છે હા પણ આનું એક ક્વેશ્ચન બીજા શિફ્ટ થઈ ગયું જસ્ટ મિનિટ
Announce
Yes.
करेंगे जब angry not. Generally lateral and medial moving रहते हैं.
Meanwhile, I would like to thank all our sponsors, Zerodol, Merrill, Corona Pharma, Pharmed, Bontech, Nebula, Shelby Medtech, and also Vraj, Meditech, BioRange, Gravity Pharma, Autos, SMPL and Torrent. Without the support of all these people, these good events are not possible. So we heartily thank all of them.
ચલો ક્વેશ્ચન 10 નેમ ધ ઇન્જરી
સરખું આવ્યું જ નથી એમ.
एकदम थी जावे ने तो यार शरद.
અરે પણ એ તો ક્વેશ્ચન્સ તો એમને જ આવે ને યાર
You want to answer, Sharad?
થોડો ને લાવો ને કઈ નહીં ઓકે ચલો તમારે જોઈએ છે અમે બીજું આપીએ શાંતિ
Blank कर दो सर.
સાહેબ હું આપું જોઈએ છે આપું છે
છે આપણી જોડે
વેટ વેટ આઈ એમ કમ
ફરી repeat. અને એમ બી repeat question.
Chandresh, when you are ready, just let us know. Then only we'll.
બોલી દો ને જવા દેવા. બોલીને જવા દેવા.
સ્પોટ જો જોઈએ છે ને
એટલે આન્સર આપી દે. આવડે ના આવડે આપી દે. Next. ના ના હશે હશે હશે. અને જેને આવડે બોલી દેવાનું પછી સાહેબનું રાઉન્ડ કે નહીં.
Okay, so question is just about to come on the screen. Here is the question. Name the sign.
Team B will answer.
Reverse oblique fracture or subtrochanteric.
Name the sign, guys.
Atypical fracture.
Wrong.
ઓડિયન્સ માટે આવીએ સર
Pointing penis.
આવીએ છીએ
Pointing
This
penis.
is what is happening in this X-ray. I want to know and name the sign.
Throckmorton.
મને નહીં
Who's answering that? Who said that? Who said that?
ના ના પણ બઝર નથી ભાઈ
You're correct. You're correct. Please go ahead.
Throckmorton.
Yes, exactly. It's the Throckmorton sign or also called John Thompson sign. શું થઈ રહ્યું છે આમાં?
The deviation of the genital organ towards the
You can say penis, yes. So, સાહેબ આપણને સાહેબો ઘણી વાર શીખવાડતા the side which is fractured in the pelvis or femur, the penis deviates on that side in the X-ray. So,
yes so we will finish the so sir please score
After this round?
of 5 પાંચમા રાઉન્ડ પછીની સર સ્કોર કો
till the judges get ready with the round, I invite our title sponsors from IFCA from Zerodol just for a few words. પ્રજ્ઞેશભાઈ ઓલું મેં તમને આપ્યું મારે જોઈએ છે અહીંયા ડબલ એવસ વાળું.
પછી ઓડિયન્સ ક્વેશ્ચન છે બાકી છે
Good afternoon, everyone.
Similar way, one more interesting quiz is going to happen. Good afternoon, everyone. Similar quiz for ortho post-graduation students will also be there from House of IPCA. This is for only PG students in association with American Academy of Orthopedic Society. There will be a 3 quiz session. Each quiz will be of 20 questions, and first will be in month of
Next, please.
April, May, and June. 3 consecutive
Fast.
will be there. The registration process is there.
We will forward this in all the groups. IPCA and Zerodol have organized an interesting quiz for the PG students. It will be in 3 phases, and the details will come on the groups.
Next, this is the website, and registration portal is there. If you after registration, your email ID will be the ID, and password will be Zerodol.
ગ્રુપ માં આ બધું મોકલી આપીશ જો જે
This
બી
will be the dashboard for you for entire year and upcoming years. Last, the
Next.
prizes are the top 25 PG students who win across India will get the residential membership of AAOS for year 27, and other who have participated for the event will get the certificate from AAOS. Thank you. So
good
please
initiative.
participate.
And we feel everybody should participate in this, all the PG students. Thank you from IPCA. Sir, please don't go. There is a rapid fire round. That is the most interesting round.
No,
So after round 5, can we have the scores, please?
yes. So
Points table.
after round 5, it is very interesting. There is a flip-flop going on. Now team A is on the top with 110. Team D is second, that is 90. Then team C, which is third, 55. Then team E, which is fourth, 35. And the last is team B. Now friends, we have just forgotten that we have given a fantastic names to all these teams. Team A is called Hardware Heroes. Please stand up. Team A, Hardware Heroes. Team Team B is Silver Touch. Team C is Osteocare. Team D is Save Life. And the team E is a clubbing of GCRI and BJMC.
સિવિલ કેમ્પસ કેવું છે
Okay, so now I guess the next round is the most exciting round. Ajibi, in this round, team C can come first, team A can go last. That thing can happen. I'll just in short tell you the rules. 1 મિનિટ નો ટાઈમ હશે, ટાઈમર અહીંયા સ્ટાર્ટ થશે. 1 મિનિટમાં જેટલા તમે મેક્સિમમ ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર આપી શકો, you can take. Questions won't end. તમે થાકી જશો પણ questions નહીં પતે. Right? 1 મિનિટ પછી સાહેબ કહેશે. Yes. Correct answer gives you +10. Wrong answer, no negative marking. બટ તમે ના આવડે તો ફટાક દિન પાસ બોલો તો હું નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછી લઉં તો તમારો ટાઈમ બચે. હું ત્યારે જ કહી દઈશ રાઈટ. ના બધું અહીંયા ત્યાં કંઈ નહીં આવે, ખાલી સાંભળવાનું જ છે શાંતિથી. આમાં આવે પ્લસ
માર્કેટ કઈ રીતે છે કહી દો ને એકવાર
કરેક્ટ આન્સર +10. રોંગ આન્સર નો નેગેટિવ માર્કિંગ. ના આવડે તો ફટાફટ પાસ બોલીને મને નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછવા દો. હું બોલીશ યસ. સો એવરીબડી અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં કોઈ ડાઉટ?
One thing is,
આપણા ઓડિયન્સના 2 ક્વેશ્ચન બાકી છે, પછી પૂછશું ને.
one thing is very clear. If they give answer, correct answer, yes. If they give wrong answer, then there will not be option of again giving wrong answer.
No, that question is gone.
That question goes now. Do not go on giving options.
મારી પાસે ટાઈમર છે, હું તને
Okay, everybody ready?
કોણ કરશે પહેલો
Team A.
ટીમ એ
Ready?
ઓકે ટાઈમ સ્ટાર્ટ્સ નાઉ
Most common site for non-union in upper limb.
Distal humerus.
Wrong answer. Nerve most commonly injured in surgical neck of humerus.
Axillary nerve.
Correct answer. Plus 10. Name bony injury of humeral head in shoulder dislocation. Correct answer. Plus 10. Most commonly early THR complication.
Dislocation.
Is correct answer. Most common organism in TKR infection.
MRS.
Staph aureus is the correct answer. I'll give them. Most common site of meniscus tear. Posterior horn of.
Medial meniscus.
Correct answer. Lachman test assesses which ligament?
ACL.
Correct answer. Most common level of lumbar disc prolapse.
L5S1.
Wrong answer. Corpse angle is used for.
Scoliosis measurement.
Scoliosis is correct answer. Most common primary malignant bone tumor.
Pass.
Wrong answer. Multiple myeloma. Which fracture shows dinner fork deformity?
Scoliosis fracture. Distal
Distal fracture is correct answer. Time over.
Sorry, primary multiple myeloma is not a primary bone.
Primary malignant bone tumor.
Primary, not a primary. Osteosarcoma is the right answer.
Primary malignant bone tumor.
Osteosarcoma, 110%. Multiple myeloma is not a primary bone tumor.
Then what is
No. Let
What is the
check
dispute?
Yeah. That is fine, but let us check.
Maybe ना काले
Sir, एक बार check कर ही लो.
most common tumor in bone is multiple myeloma. Chandresh question most common
Most common primary malignant bone tumor.
most common tumor in bone to multiple myeloma.
સરના સ્પોર્ટ્સમેન સ્પિરિટ માટે બધા તાલીઓ આપવી જોઈએ. આ જમાનામાં કોઈ આવું ના કરે.
No, I just want to know that in this given time, how many questions could they have covered? How many questions?
સાહેબ they totally covered 11 questions.
Good. So it's a good learning for the team B.
એ પછી ખબર પડશે, અત્યારે નહીં ખબર પડે હવે.
સર માર્ક્સ ટેન
Everybody?
કેટલા છે 90
Team B ready?
ચલો રેડી
Most common carpal bone fractured.
Scaphoid.
Correct. But blood supply of femoral head in radius. Blood supply to femoral head of radius. Femoral head in adults.
Medial circumflex.
Correct answer. Ideal cup inclination in THR.
45. 40 to 45.
Correct. 40 to 45. Which bearing surface has lowest wear?
Ceramic on ceramic.
Correct. Bankart lesion involves which structure? Labrum is the correct answer. Pivot shift test indicates.
ACL injury.
Correct answer. Which nerve root is affected in L3-4 disc prolapse?
L4
Correct answer. Most common cause in spinal cord compression worldwide? Most common cause of spinal cord compression.
Trauma.
Wrong answer. Most sensitive test for DDH?
Barlow.
Wrong answer. You can say pass. Gardner's classification is used for?
Neck femur fracture.
Correct. Which fracture is associated with fat embolism most commonly? Correct. Thompson test is used for? Wrong answer. TA rupture. Wrong answer.
So how many questions? How many questions he
They
could?
attempted 13 questions.
13. Very good.
So, Jetwa Sahib, I can go ahead. Sahib, ready?
Yes.
Sharad, ready? Ideal femoral component rotation is based on which line in TKR?
Pass.
Most common graft used for ACL reconstruction?
Hamstring.
Semity. I'll give it to them. Correct. Slap lesions involves which part of labrum?
Superior.
Correct. Ideal femoral anteversion in THR?
20. 15.
Wrong answer.
15 plus 15.
Wrong answer.
10 to.
Which ligament limits hyperextension in spine?
Pass. Anterior.
Wrong answer. Hangman's fracture involves which vertebra?
T2.
Correct. Most common injured tendon in hand?
Flexor tendon.
Exertendon तो 1000 હોય ભાઈ. Wrong answer. Most common complication of supracondylar humerus in children.
Varus, cubitus varus.
Malunion is the, I'll give you them. Malunion is the correct answer. Malunion. Most common site of non-union in long bones.
Diaphyseal. Long bone. Humerus.
Best in tibia shaft. Best investigations for suspected prosthetic joint infection. PGI.
Alpha defense.
Wrong answer. Name an image less robotic system for knee arthroplasty. લઈ લેવા દો આ question. Name one image less robotic system in knee arthroplasty.
Corey.
Corey, I'll give it to them. Valleys and Corey are imageless, so I'll give it to them. Correct answer.
It's over now.
Ready?
Also. No, I just wanted to know about the infection. He gave the answer of the PGI. Which was the answer?
Best investigation is aspiration and culture sensitivity.
Expedition culture.
Alpha defensin is the test for low grade infection.
No,
Best
yes.
test for a low grade infection is alpha defensin,
Okay,
but
okay.
best test is culture sensitivity.
Agreed.
કેટલા ક્વેશ્ચન હતા
10. They attempted 10 questions. Most common type of meniscal tear in young patients.
Bucket handle tear.
Correct.
Medial meniscus.
Classical triad of congenital talipes equinovarus, CTEV. Classical triad.
Varus, first empty drop and
Wrong answer. Level of termination of spinal cord in adults.
L1.
L1, 2. I'll give it to them. Correct answer. In Dennis classification, which column is most important for stability?
Middle.
Correct. Onion scale periosteal reaction is characteristics of?
Infection.
Ewing's is the correct answer. Most common cause of hip pain in children?
Synovitis. Hip synovitis.
Wrong answer. Perthes. Schoffer's fracture involves which bone? Schoffer's fracture.
Head of the first contact.
Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Dipens fracture involves which bone? Wrong answer. Pipkin's classification is used for?
Femur head fracture.
Femur head is correct answer. Most common site of cervical disc prolapse?
C56.
Correct answer. They took 10 questions. Now what is pass?
Most common hip pain in pediatric transient silent.
Any answers you want? Schoffer's fracture is radial styloid. Schoffer's fracture is radial styloid. ये तो ये छेल्ले गई सु बराबर? Okay. Team ready? Sahib ready?
Yes. This is the rapid fire of the last team.
Silence, please silence.
Ready? I'm ready. Yes. Fracture with radial head plus DRUJ disruption is called? Wrong answer. Classification under open fracture? Correct. Hallmark X-ray sign in AS? Most common benign tumor? Wrong answer. Nerve involved in tarsal tunnel syndrome? Tiles classification is used for? Correct. Which ligament injured in terrible triad? 3 ligaments. Wrong answer. What is the hallmark sign of fat embolism in skin? Petechia is the correct answer. Which ligament is most commonly injured in ankle sprain? Wrong answer. Mason's classification used for? Mason's classification. Sanders classification is used for? Correct. Empty notch sign is seen in? Correct. Which injury is suggested by widening of medial clear space in ankle X-ray? Wrong answer. What is the working length of a plate? Distance between what? Nearest. Distance between the two nearest screws was the correct answer. We'll give it to them. They said the distance between proximal screws. They also attempted 12 questions. A very interesting round, I guess. Everybody.
So are you going to
tried
have
their best.
the audience question now?
Audience question.
Yes, audience question. ભાઈ આ કમલેશ બોક્સમાં છે શું જો તો બતાવો તો ખરો
સાહેબ કોઈમાં નીડલ હોલ્ડર છે, કોઈમાં સીઝર્સ છે.
Yes, yes. So this one is the same one or the different one?
બધામાં અલગ અલગ છે સાહેબ, કોઈમાં સીઝર છે, કોઈમાં નીડલ હોલ્ડર છે.
Good, 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 good.
So question, last two questions for the audience. The first one is over here. Name the implant. Sir, here. Kamlesh bhai, this gentleman, name the implant. SROM. SROM is the answer, sir. It is used in total hip arthroplasty. SROM is the correct answer.
He gets it. Yes.
Last
Good,
question
good.
for the audience. Everybody, please be ready. Name the disease and name the stage. Very precise. I want the name of the stage and name of the disease. બંને સાચા હશે તો જ મળશે. ના, જે લોકો થઈ ગયા છે, no second chance. Any new face? Anybody? Anybody from the participants? Parthis? Stage 4 is wrong, stage 3 is wrong.
Stage 2A.
પેર તો વધ્યા. Nobody will get this prize. Nobody will get this prize. રાવ લઈ લો પાછું, જ્યોતિષભાઈનું છે MBA. જ્યોતિષભાઈનું જ છે સાહેબ MBA. So big round of applause for all the participants, for all the audience. Everybody did a wonderful job. We all played very gracefully. We all played very morally. Our team has done a very good job. 3 cheers for Kamlesh bhai, Anil bhai, Yuvraj bhai who is not there. All arthroplasty questions we took
Now,
from Yuvraj bhai.
do not show the score on the screen. Please do not show. Do not show.
Hamna score
Don't
screen
show
par
on
na
the
laata.
screen.
I now invite Jethwa Sahib to please come on the
Okay,
stage.
now it's very interesting. At the end of all the rounds,
एक मिनट.
can anybody guess who could be the lowest team?
First of all,
Who could be the lowest team?
position number 5. Any guesses?
5. Anybody? Yes. Okay. So now we start with, even if it's the lowest team, they quiz. So even with this lowest, they have secured 95 marks.
5th place goes to
Team E is the 5th, the
5th
lowest one.
place, Team E. But still a big round of applause. They qualified from 21 teams to come on the stage.
Now, at the
Position
stage
4.
of 4, the 4th number is Team C with 105. Now, the 3rd place is secured by Team B, Silver Touch, with 120. The second one is Save Life Team D with 150.
I request,
And friends, we all know the left out is number 1, the first prize, Team A, Hardware Heroes.
I request
200.
Sata sir. I request Naveen sir and Sata sir to please come and give the prizes.
Yes, yes, yes,
First to
please.
the runners-up team. Please be seated, everybody. Please be seated. First to the runners-up team.
Is Team
Save
D,
Life.
Save Life.
સાહેબ સાહેબ આ 4 ટ્રોફી બી સાહેબ 4 ને સાહેબ for the each and every individual participants, please entire team please come for a photo. Also the prizes from Bontech. Also for all 4 individuals, prizes from Bontech.
Many congratulations to everyone.
From Bontech for all 4 participants. क्या चौथा क्या તમારા હા તમે રાખો અત્યારે સાહેબ તો પહોંચાડ દેજો ઉતરલે આપી દો. And now may I please call the champion team, Team Hardware Heroes, led by Dr. Shrenuj. I request Sata Sahib and Naveen sir to please give the prize to the captain. સાહેબ સાહેબ કમલેશભાઈ
આ સર આ એકદમ યુવા ટીમ હતી ને એટલે એ લોકોને બધું યાદ હોય હજુ રિસેન્ટલી ભણેલા હોય ને
A big round of applause for the champions.
ગ્રેટ
Team
ગ્રેટ
Hardware Heroes. They were the first team to register when we opened the registrations.
એટલે તૈયાર હતા એકદમ Chandresh, actually 3 cheers to the organizers who have made all these great questions here. કેટલા
Thank
બધા
you so much,
questions
sir.
કરવા it's a real tough job.
Thank you so much, sir.
Many congrats to the organizers.
Thank you so much.
આટલું બધું માઇન્ડ ચલાવવું ને એ પણ બહુ અઘરું જારું એટલે બધા સબ્જેક્ટનું બાજુ
Sir, 3 cheers for the Chandresh Sharma as a host as well.
હા એગ્રી
Also live.
Please, Evers Committee, Monil bhai, Chirag bhai. Thank you so much, all the participants, all the audience, all the sponsors. A big thank you to everybody. Our next event is in June. It is a symposium on upper limb and lower limb trauma. We'll post the details soon in the group. Thank you everybody. Enjoy your lunch.